Hello and welcome back. Did you know Canva News? Now it is unlimited folders for free Canva users. So let's go to the home page and click Projects on the left side menu. And here we can click Folders. And now we can create as many folders as we want. Go to the right side and click the plus. And here we can click folder. Now we can create folder name. For example, I am entering graphics and click create folder. And here you go. We have our folder. So first way, when we created here projects, folders, and clicking the plus. And the other way, when we are in our design, we can go to the top menu, click File, and Save to Folder. Now we can create new folder, or we can go to your projects and choose our folder and click Save. And here you go. Now we can check it. I'm going to folders and graphics, and here you go. So it is easy and very good news. I hope you like this tutorial. Click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check my extensive Canva master course on udemy.com. Link you will find in the description. See you next time.